They brought me a Pontiac G6 from another shop. No crank. Don't start. (2007). One crank, no start. Lose communication with the transmission control module. You know what's wrong with this one, Pecas? We're missing a ground on the transmission. Right here.
Otro para Record Guinness.
Otro para Record Guinness. Mira, we're missing a ground right here. On the transmission control module. Mira, ¿ves? Try to crank it, it won't crank. So there's no ground. So basically the transmission don't know if it's in park. Don't crank, right? So I'm just gonna jump wire the computer to a ground. Now there's a ground. Crank it now. Try it one more time. Aceléralo un poco. There you go, right there. So it was not making a good connection on the ground. So if you guys have a G6 or a Grand Prix or Chevy Malibu, any kind of those with a 2.4 Vortex, check